In this video, we'll see how to add different icons in icon list. You can add icons from font option or you can add image. This is the image I have used, like purple image I have used here. We'll see how to change icon style and list using CSS only. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see this is my index.html. I have linked a style.css with it. You can see here, you can see I have linked style.css with it. There's some dummy CSS in it. Leave it. So we will add list here and style in style.css. If you want to style it here, you can style that all. Let's go. The first, what we'll do, we will create a container, and inside that we will add list and style it, change it icon or style. I will add a heading tag, list icon. Okay. Now, first we will create list. List 2, 3, 4. So now I will write my style.css style here so that you can see how I can write it. Here you can see I've created list. Here you can see. First, what we'll do, we will change the list icon with image. I will add untitled and inside untitled list. Now here list style, I need to give the image URL and try to make image size like 10 cross 10 pixel, very small. The size of list you want. I have added a image as a list. Here you can see I have added images in list tab. You can clearly see the list images. It's looking much better. You can add any image in your list icon, but try to keep it dimension in train cross train pixel or small as per your requirement. It is currently 9 cross 9 pixel image that I have added. To keep it small, it will look better. Okay. Now we want to add some icon or anything different in place of list. So let's see how we'll do that. So now we will style only using images. That's the simple. Now we will add some icon in place of dot or 1, 2, 3, whatever it was. Like if I comment it, you can see this is dot list. Now we want to change style or add some icon. Now we can do it. Type of list type. Like you can see I have written on this circle. I will show list one by one. I can change it to square, decimal, anything as required. There are multiple different type of list style. You can search and find the all list style. Now we want to add some icon. How we will do that? So what we will do, I will add a list style type none. If I go here, here you can see no list is font. Now we will add icon. So for that first we need to go to font icon and link your website with it so that you can use it. Okay. Already have account, just sign in with it. Here you can see I get my code link. I need to just copy it. Easy installation, go to my website on heading tag. In script, I need to add that tag. In heading tag, I will add it. Now I can use font on or some icon. Okay. Let's now go to website. Search for any icon list you can see here. You can use icon as per your requirement. Here you can see all icons. You can add solid icons, any icons you want to show. Like I want to show some icon like this. I will click on it, copy it, copy the snippet. Now I will go to my list icon and here I will place it just before this title. Now go to page. Here you can see list is showing, spacing is not properly. I will give some spacing like and NBSP. Now refresh it. Here you can see it's much proper. You can add different type of icon as per requirement. Like this one. Here you can see I have added different type of icon in list. Here you can see you can add for your requirement. All the icons were from Font Awesome. Here you can search any icon and use it. That is for free. Okay. So that's how you can add icons in your list and change the icon style, add image as icon in your list. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.